Hey, what's going on, YouTubulous? EXO coming at you here. Wicked pumped today because we are going to replace the whole entire exhaust system on Little Blue. As you guys know, with my 218's big bass system in there, we always expect the car to be loud with the sound system, but we don't want it to be crazy loud just driving down the street, everybody looking at me like I got three heads, freaking just shooting back gases right into our throat. And then we'll head up to Stewart Auto up here in Sanford and get some help replacing the whole damn thing, get back home and see if we can actually make this damn thing quiet. Never thought as a bass head I'd be saying that, but let's get this show on the road and get it roadworthy again. Whew. 3, 2, 1.
Well needed. The damn thing is just blown right off. I'm waking the whole neighborhood up. I'm gonna turn it off.
Gosh. Just when everybody was starting to love me around here. Goodness.
Holy freaking rock auto. It's been like 36 hours and I've already got my pipe. Look at it. Huge ass pipe in the mail. Way to go. So embarrassed right now. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning, blasting through the goddamn neighborhood like an asshole. All right, we're here. We got the man pulling it up into the bay. See how she sounds from a distance here. It's not very friendly, I'll tell you that. She was blasting up the neighborhood on the way up here. Well, there she is, Little Blue, getting some TLC. Thanks again, Will. You're the man. And these lifts have no problem picking up big, heavy car audio vehicles and stuff like that? Awesome. Well, we got her unloaded for the guy, so we're gonna leave him be, leave him to his own devices. It's what he does for a living, so you know exactly what to do.
That's right.
So we'll stay out of his way, and we'll see him in a couple hours.
Sounds good, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at this. It's like 2 p.m. Barely even had time to get crazy over at my house, and we're already coming back here. This guy works freaking fast. Man, you work fast.
I try.
That's crazy. Look at this. We already got her in the bay, ready to head out. This is gonna be exciting. I literally don't even remember what it sounds like. Let's give it a nice little first start here. Ready, guys? Oh my word, is that even... I can't even believe my engine is that quiet. Holy smokes, it is literally night and day. I can hear myself talking, I can hear myself thinking, and I'm not like dying just driving with smoke inhalation. I am feeling great today. Man, this is awesome. Oh, I got smacked with my wiper blade. Whoops. Yeah, she sounds awesome. Purrs like a kitten too. It was all disguised underneath that really loud exhaust. It sounded like the engine was busted, but lo and behold, she's still my sweet little girl. Oh yeah. Unfortunately, that's not all that's wrong with the beast. We have got some serious problems with the front end. On my drive back home, I noticed that whenever I applied pressure to the brakes, something was shaking very badly coming from the front wheels. You could see the steering wheel shaking, your whole hands would start vibrating, and it almost sounded like a clicking noise the sooner you got to a complete stop. So mechanically, Little Blue is not completely tip-top shape right now, so we need to address this big problem. So what I'm gonna do is take a little imitation GoPro and point it in the direction of all of this mayhem. Hopefully we can figure this out thanks to this little camera. I know there's thousands of people out there who could probably diagnose this within a second, but me, I'm not completely familiar with this thing, so I'm gonna try to see if I can literally spot anything that's going bub 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 in plain sight, because it does not sound good. head down the road a little bit, see if we can actually get a good view of this on video. See if we can see anything while we turn the wheel like this. All right. It definitely is a scary feeling. Once you get to around 60 miles an hour, the whole car starts shaking. So there is a couple different ideas that I have of what it possibly could be, but I'm still not 100% sure. We're gonna head on the highway here in just a couple moments, go probably 65 miles an hour, right around there, and then hit the brakes and see what the camera picks up down underneath. Oh boy, let's gun it. Bam, here we go. 30 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour, 50, and 60. So as you can tell right now, it's tracking very good. It's going straight, no shakes. But now we're going 65 miles an hour. Let's hit the brakes. Are you ready? Do you see my wheel? Did you see my wheel just there? That was the shake I was telling you guys about. Could it be something that's warped? Maybe it has something to do with my brakes. I'm going 60. I'm gonna come to a complete stop right here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, see, something's not right. I even can feel my brake pedal. Whew. I can feel my brake pedal telegraphing that bump, like bump, 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 bump. See that? And down here, I can smell something reeking up like it's burning. Probably my brake pad seeing the brunt of all that force. So we're not gonna do that anymore, that's for damn sure, because something else is bound to break in the meantime if we keep that up. So in the comments, please let me know what you think this problem could be. I have my inkling about maybe it's the rotors, but who knows? Let me know, and I'm gonna go online and get the part purchased as soon as I can. It's getting it? Yeah. Heck, thanks for listening in, dude.
Man, I'm really excited to meet you.
It's my pleasure, it really is.
Man, oh man, I almost forgot how beastly Little Blue is. Always good for some prime reactions from people sitting in the hot seat. Almost 161 decibels from 218s. I gotta say, I'm pretty damn proud of that. I've traveled the whole damn country, and for what it is, Little Blue holds its own. So we're gonna take it nice and slowly while replacing the parts that need to be replaced, but we don't even know exactly what it is. So let us know what you think the problem was in this video where that shaking started to take place. I myself think it may be just the rotors, so maybe a couple $100 or even less, and we'll be good to start slamming bass just like we did in the last part of this video. So thanks for watching, guys. We got plenty more in store for the rest of this month, and also something very unique in store on Patreon. I'm gonna start implementing a chat service where you can contact me 24/7 if need be for car audio related questions or concerns. So be sure, oh my gosh. So be sure to check out the Patreon page in the weeks to come, because that will be announcing by the end of this month for a full chat service courtesy of the EXO channels. So until the next video, this is EXO signing out. Thanks for all the people who are watching, commenting, and subscribing. I'll talk to you in the next one.